Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the connectors of addition. Okay, today we're going to talk about connector of addition. Please subscribe. Por favor, se inscreva neste canal. Eu sou Lucas, my name is Lucas. And please subscribe, ok? Então, hoje falaremos a respeito de connector of addition. So, essas aulas são importantes, ou esta aula é importante, porque nós vamos aprender como conectar frases no meio de um discurso. Okay? Isso é muito importante, porque às vezes você se perde no meio de um discurso. Como conectar frases sem ali ter vários problemas, sem gaguejar, ok? Então, vamos avançar com a aula. So, thank you and pay attention, ok? Ok, fine. We have here addition, okay, addition. So we have here in addition to or addition, simple addition, okay? We have here in addition or in addition to, okay? Fine. So what does it mean, addition or in addition to? So let me put it there, okay? We can go right now. You use in addition when you want to mention another item connected with the subject you are discussing. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that you're gonna use in addition when you want to connect items, okay, that you are discussing. Okay, item that you are discussing. For example, you want to connect two items, okay, or main items, okay, that you are discussing. Okay, so I'm gonna use in addition, ok? For example, você pode dizer da seguinte maneira: I want to speak English and French. I want to speak English and French. Então, você está usando o and para conectar as duas frases. O and para conectar as duas frases, ok? Então, exatamente isso. Então, o and seria a expressão de conexão, ok? Então, nós temos aqui, we have here, example, part-time English classes are offered and students can take classes in other language, okay? Part-time English classes are offered and students can take classes in other languages. So what does it mean? It means that I'm using I'm using and, okay, that expression, and, that word here, and, okay, to connect it to ideas. The first idea is part-time English classes are offered, okay? The second, student can take classes in other language, ok? Então eu tenho aqui o and para conectar essas duas frases, ok? Só que, o que acontece? Eu posso substituir o and com in addition, okay? In addition. So I can say, okay, just remove and I can replace using in addition, okay? In addition. So we have in addition. So you can say part-time English classes are offered. In addition, students can take classes in other language. Did you understand? Part-time English classes are offered. In addition, students can take classes in other language. Ok? That's it. So, não é que esteja errado utilizar o and, você pode usar o and, só que aqui, in addition, também é possível utilizar. Ok? Fine. For example, you can say, I love English and I want to learn French. You can say, I love English. In addition, I want to learn French. Okay, fine. We have here other example. In addition to the fact that math is very complicated, I have never been very good at studying it without the idea of a tutor. Okay, fine. In addition to the fact that math is very complicated, okay? In addition to, ok, então eu estou a conectar, né? Acrescentando, né? In addition to, eu estou ok? In addition to the fact that math is very complicated, I have never been very good at studying it without the aid of a tutor, ok? Então, isso simplesmente quer dizer, além, né? Além do fato que matemática é muito complicado, muito difícil, né? Muito complicado. I have never been very good, ok? Eu nunca fui bom, né? Eu nunca fui bom sem precisar, né, de um instrutor, ok? Então, o que acontece aqui? Eu já venho falando de matemática, né? Então eu quero acrescentar, quero dar ali uma outra ideia para conectar. Vamos supor que nós já viemos falando, estamos a caminhar, a falar sobre matemática. Então depois, meu amigo fala uma coisa, matemática é bom, e para ti eu digo, a matemática is not good, I think that it is very difficult. Então eu acrescento ali, né? In addition to the fact that math is not very good, I have never been very good. Ok? Então, it's very complicated. Então, você vai acrescentar, ok? De acordo com aquilo que é a sua ideia, tá ok? Então, é mais ou menos isso. Ok, so, thank you so much. Acho que podemos passar por outro ponto. Está claro aqui. Fine. We have... furthermore, ok? Furthermore. Eu vou colocar daqui, se você vai me ajudar. Furthermore, ok? Furthermore é uma expressão que tem o mesmo, tem um significado similar, ok? Com in addition, ok? In addition to what precedes, ok? Beside, ok? Furthermore is in addition to what precedes beside, ok? You can say, for example, you can say, she always arrives on time. Furthermore, her work is always excellent, okay? She always arrives on time. Furthermore, her work is always excellent, okay? That's it. So, that is the idea. Além disso, o trabalho dela é excelente, okay? Furthermore, her work is always excellent, okay? Fine. We have here other example. I was helping people at home. Furthermore, I was not selfish. Okay, I was helping people at home. Furthermore, I was not selfish. Ok, temos aqui I was helping people at home. Furthermore, além disso, I was not selfish. Aqui a expressão selfish pode ser um bocadinho complicado para alguns, mas selfish quer dizer, na minha definição de selfish seria self, eu, né? Self, que é a minha pessoa. Então, fish, peixe. Então, seria alguém que gosta de comer peixe sozinho. I'm joking, ok? Brincadeira. Selfish significa egoísta, ok? Significa egoísta. Selfish, ok? Fine. Temos aqui embaixo, other example. He is lazy, ok? He is lazy. And furthermore, he has no sense of responsibility, okay? He is lazy, and furthermore, he has no sense of responsibility. Ok, isso quer dizer que he is lazy, ok? Ele é lazy. Lazy, what does it mean lazy in Portuguese? Preguiçoso. Ok, he is lazy, ele é preguiçoso. Furthermore, além disso, ok? And furthermore, he has no sense of responsibility. Ele não tem senso de responsabilidade. Ok, então nós estamos a conectar ideias, ok? Connecting. Se vocês forem prestar atenção essas expressões, elas têm o mesmo significado em algum momento com and, ok? E in addition, o mesmo significado com and. Aqui podemos usar como sinônimo em algumas situações. Aqui, furthermore também como sinônimo. In addition ou and, ok? Fine. Em algumas expressões, ok? Fine. We have here moreover, ok? Moreover. Temos aqui moreover. Example, ok? A mesma ideia, ok? Moreover, the same idea. O mesmo significado. Lucas is handsome. Moreover, he is rich. Lucas is handsome. Moreover, he is rich. Ok, Lucas is handsome. Moreover, he is rich, ok? Se Lucas is handsome, Lucas é bonito. Moreover, além disso, he is rich. Moreover, he is rich. Que além disso, ele é rico. Ok? Para quem tem alguma dificuldade, temos aqui handsome. Handsome é uma expressão que quer dizer bonito, mas só é aplicável para homens, ok? Enquanto beautiful é para tá num feminino e podemos usar para objetos ou coisas, né? Podemos usar para mulheres ou para coisas, assim como animais, tá ok? Mas handsome é especialmente para homens. Fine. Lucas is handsome, moreover, he is rich, ok? Fine. Other example we have here, smoking is a bad habit. Moreover, it is a very expensive. Smoking is a bad habit. Moreover, it is a very expensive. Ok, smoking is a bad habit. Além disso, ok, smoking, que é o ato de fumar, ok? Fumar é uma péssima, é um péssimo hábito, assim que é um péssimo hábito. Além disso, it's very, very expensive. Expensive significa caro, ok? Algo caro, que não está barato, caro, ok? It's very expensive, ok? That's it. The last example about moreover we have here. Moreover is a parent telling their teenager that, in addition to them coming home late, they also didn't do their chores. Ok, esse exemplo aqui é um bocadinho complexo, mas eu vou explicar. Temos aqui moreover, ok? It's a parent telling their teenager that, in addition to them coming home late, they also didn't do their chores. Ok, vamos lá. Primeiro entender certas palavras. Moreover, it's a parent, ok? Parent significa pais, não parentes, ok? Pais, de pai e mãe. Telling their teenager. Teenager significa adolescente, ok? Teenager. Teenager, adolescente, ok? In addition to them coming home late, ok? Coming home late, né? Seria vir para casa tarde, né? They also didn't do their chores. Eles também não fizeram seus trabalhos, ok? Chores significa trabalhos de casa, trabalhos domésticos, por exemplo, to dish, que é lavar, prato, ou to cook, to watch, ok? Coisas, trabalhos domésticos, ok? Eles não fizeram seus trabalhos domésticos. Their chores, ok? Seus trabalhos domésticos. Então, exatamente isso. Então, seria assim. Moreover, it's a parent telling their teenager that, in addition to them coming home late, they also didn't do their chores. Ok? Entendeu? Então, é exatamente isso. Ok. E a parte boa disso, the good part is you can use those expressions, okay? You can combine main expression, okay, main connector in just one sentence. For example, you can say, Maria is beautiful, moreover, she is rich, okay? In addition that she is very beautiful, and then you can complete, ok? Vocês notaram aqui, eu estou usando moreover, estou usando in addition, então eu posso usar para não tornar cansativo uma frase assim. Você não pode dizer, não pode usar dessa maneira. I love English and I love Spanish and I love Portuguese and I want and não. Então preciso ter essa variedade para lhe ajudar, tá ok? Isso torna o seu inglês attractive, ok? Thank you. So we can go to the next. We have here another, okay? Another is so popular. Another mean outro, né? It's so popular expression. That's a popular expression. Many people use this. Okay, we have here example. The first example is you may never be, okay? You may never be another You may never be another Miyako, but you can learn to write well, okay? You may never be another Miyako, but you can learn to write well, okay? You may never be Miyako, be another Miyako. Você não pode, né? Você não pode ser outro Miyako, ok? Mas você pode estudar, ok? You can learn to write well. Você pode estudar para escrever melhor, para escrever bem, ok? Então é exatamente isso. Ok, é assim, temos aqui o another para dizer outro, ok? Another. Nós usamos muito a expressão we can say, for example, the second example, you can see here like why is one called and another not? Okay, why is one called and another not? So why is one called and another not? Say another not, okay? Older now, okay? Why is one called and another not? Say why, por quê? Okay? Por que ligou e o outro não? Okay? Other example, you can choose another house. Okay, you can choose another house. Okay, you can choose another house. So thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. Okay, so the thing that I want from you is just start with simple example. Okay, start with simple example. Start to create simple example. Simple example. Você tem essas frases e você pode se basear com essas frases e vai criando simples expressões, ok? Fine. Then we have here exercise, okay? Our exercise. We have here, can I have piece of cake? Can I have piece of cake? Do you understand what does it mean? Can I have piece of cake? Fine. So you can use in addition, okay, nevertheless, or another, okay. What is correct? Can I have in addition piece of cake? Can I have nevertheless piece of cake? Can I have another piece of cake? So it's up to you, okay? Qual é a resposta correta? Então faça este exercício. Next, we have here the service at this restaurant is excellent. Depois temos aí o espaço para preencher. The food is delicious. Ok? The service at this restaurant is excellent. The food is delicious. So, qual é a resposta correta? Ok? We have in addition, nevertheless, or another. The service at this restaurant is excellent. In addition, the food is delicious. We can say, nevertheless, the food is delicious. Or another, the food is delicious. So, what do you think about? Please analyze, and answer, okay, the question. So, thank you so much. Por favor, escreva, subscribe, and God bless you. Bye bye. I love you.